The NSSF Amendment Bill 2021 could take longer to process than previously anticipated. The Committee of Parliament on Gender, Labour and Social Development has just embarked on the scrutiny of the clauses objected by the President in the previous version of the bill passed by the 10th Parliament. The chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Gender, Labour and Social Development, Flavia Kabahenda, has said the bill will undergo the due process of scrutiny.
We had a number of background preparations that we had to make. We had to meet the Speaker so that we can understand exactly how we are going to proceed, and of course to tell him that the amount of time that he had given us was so inadequate for us to do due justice to this bill.
However, some stakeholders have questioned why the provisions of the rules of procedure weren't suspended to allow a speedy passing of the bill that had fully been processed by the previous House. The earliest the committee expects to report back to Parliament is in the course of next week.
Many times people think that we are rubber stamps. We don't want to show that we are rubber stamps. We know very well that the bill, if it was passed and everybody was satisfied, we wouldn't be on it. But because His Excellency and some others were not satisfied, His Excellency brought the bill back.
The Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Betty Amongi, acquainted the committee members with the intent of the bill. She emphasized the necessity for Parliament to pass the bill at the earliest possible time.
Many workers are in distress because of this pandemic, and their situation hangs in the balance, waiting for the decision of this committee and Parliament.
One of the main proposals in the bill is to provide for midterm access to those that have contributed for 10 years and are 45 years of age or older. The bill will also propose the transfer of supervision of NSSF from the Gender Ministry to the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development and have the Managing Director given voting rights on the board. The bill is one of those that was reintroduced after the business of the previous Parliament lapsed before they were assented to. Jackson Onyango, NTV.
Very many